Snow. How do you like the snow? That cat hates me.
Mary? Answer me! What do you want me to do, babe?
Just be you, babe. She's surfing. Oh my God, go Sarah! Yeah!
Going so fast. See you later! Surfer. Take 2. Oh, he's really good. Wow. Look at those skills. Good job, AJ.
So that little kid just slid down the same hill we're sliding down.
It was complaining
and said it's not steep. That little kid.
He laughed.
Mary, why don't you do that for me when I have trouble getting back up? I like how the dads just watching.
Do you remember the night we made our way dreaming, hoping of being someone big? We were so young then, we were too crazy in love. When the lights go on, we'll be safe and sound. We'll take control of the world like it's all we have to hold on to, and we'll be
She's mine, okay? What? If you do that, AJ's gonna fall. It's gonna be funny. AJ's gonna fall. It's gonna be funny. Come on, AJ! You can do it! Come on, AJ!
He's falling on purpose.
I'm excited. Dude, look how easily he's getting up. He's got a dang. His weight is more centered than mine because he's shorter.
His weight.
So it's easier. It's easier. When I was
It's like walking on a sidewalk.
like this really easily. Yeah, look how easy. Boy Tyler.
Beat him down the hill.
I like watching AJ go up the hill. I have like 6 videos of it, so.
AJ,
Crunch time, AJ. Watch out.
if you put your feet more
careful.
sideways, then it like digs in.
Oh, thanks for telling me now. What? You have to really.
My 50th clip. Oh man, I just think these shoes are really bad.
Cause I'm country strong, hard to break.
I don't know that song.
Just like the ground
I grew up in. Is that one? You grew up in ground?
Can and not
Okay,
me.
here I go. That was excellent. That was really good.
No, dude.
I've got your glasses over here.
AJ, how was that, dude?
Oh, dude.
I'll go over there.